Hey guys, so it's officially vacation week, it's wedding week, it's everything week, and it's Monday. And I just love the feeling of waking up on Monday knowing that everyone is doing something and I'm in my bed enjoying. But I am about to leave because I need to go to the store to buy supplies because I'm gonna take out my braids and do a new hair, and I'm gonna need, might as well just take this back because I don't feel like I'm packing. I'm taking out my braids and then washing my hair and doing a new thing. I think I have everything. So I ordered some hair, I ordered some hair, like a closure from eBay, and it's the same closure I used last time I did I have my hair, and it should be in the mail today. And I keep tracking the shipping and it hasn't arrived yet, so. But I have hair that I got from Inky that I'm going to use. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is the hair. I have it all over the place. This is the hair that I'm going to be putting in. It's that Russian hair that Inky had. She let me have some. So I'm about to go to the store because I need to buy like wig making stuff, like a cap, and I need to buy shampoo to wash the hair. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, I need to get like hair cutting scissors because I had scissors when I make sure I have everything. That's all I need. I had scissors when I traveled to Boston and they took it from me. So I need to get new ones. And then come back here and start doing my hair. Hopefully, well, the hair isn't here yet. Did I bring my phone? No, I forgot it. Of course. And my windshield wipers are still on. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna wait to do all that, like getting pretty stuff. But I did want to get my eyelashes done. Like eyelash extension. And I had an appointment this morning, and I canceled it because I said there's other things that I need to do first before I worry about like my eyelashes, like my hair. So I canceled it. So I'm probably just gonna go to like Ulta, because that's where I made the appointment, Ulta, and tomorrow, and do that, or go to like Macy's and go to the Benefit Brow Bar and do my eyelashes there. But yeah, that's the plan. But I said let me do all the priority stuff first, because that's more important. Back, and I found what I was looking for. So this is the cap I bought to make my wiggy. And I've never used this cap before. I've used the dome one, the one that's like not see-through, but this one was new. I never seen it, so I said let me try it. But it still has like the nice thick band and stuff, so I think that'll be good. And then I bought scissors because the scissors I needed, I got them taken away. And then what did I get from Wally World? And then I got shampoo to wash my bundles. And this is just a Dove shampoo. Dove shampoo is my favorite shampoo to use to wash my wefts, so I got this one. And then I bought shampoo to wash my own hair. And I got this Dark and Lovely Au Naturel Anti-Shrinkage Hydrating Soak Shampoo. Since I'm a natural now, I gotta use the right shampoo. Yeah, no. Ha 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 ha. But I'll try this one and see how it goes. I'm not really like a product person. I don't know much about like natural stuff yet, so it's kind of overwhelming. So I just pick up what I see and ask Inky to help me. So Still waiting for, so when I got back home, I saw the mailman, and he was putting stuff still in the mailboxes, so I know my closure's in there. So, I'll wait for him to finish that, then I'll go back and get my closure. But while I'm waiting, let me wash my bundles and like take out my hair and then all that stuff. So, yep. Alright, so I'll update you guys later. Hey guys, so I made it to Mexico. Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
Say hi to your fans.
Hi.
Gina's relaxing in the hammock.
We are in Mexico.
Mommy.
Mexico.
This is our little view here. This is the resort we're staying at. Oh, it's so nice. Look at it. We are literally in paradise. Let's Gina, can you do an apartment tour like cribs? Come on. So let's do an apartment tour, a resort tour, room tour, crib style. Let's go. What's up, Junior?
Oh. Relax on the hammock, but you guys gotta get out of here, man.
So we're in Mexico. Condensation. So I didn't sleep last night because I was packing. I didn't even vlog yesterday when I was packing and stuff, but last minute packing, so I didn't even go to sleep and I still haven't slept till right now. So I'm gonna get some food, get some rest, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Yeah. Alright, hey guys, so we are in Mexican Costco. Nike's so, you're like smiling from ear to ear.
I'm so excited to be shopping in a Mexican Costco.
Yeah. This Costco is like Nike's like therapy. Like it really is.
All of the drama that's been going on. This is, I'll take this.
Countdown to the wedding.
They can't take this away from me.
Say hi, Ariel.
So I got to look a hot mess.
Everybody does. So we're just getting last minute stuff for the wedding. The Costco looks, ooh, liquor. I smell chocolate chip cookies and it's making me really hungry.
Little candy like after the wedding that we usually put inside the gift bag. I don't think they have it down here though. You should like have a whole plan of things I need to buy for it. This is why I'm like buying a lot of stuff. I have the boxes and the ribbon and just
So yeah, so we have wedding duties to do, so I won't have much time to do vlogging things, so bear with me. Yeah. Good morning, guys. So we're working out. When in Mexico, try to stay fit because our food here is like 24 hours. We can eat whatever we want, so you know how that goes. So yeah, so I'm just working out, and my mommy's here, and my aunties, and everybody. So we're all gonna stay fit during this workout. So I'm gonna this is what I do on the thing. So I do a usually go 3.5, and then I incline at like 7%. Yeah, that's what I do, because when I work out, I like to target like my thighs and my glutes and stuff. So when I'm on the treadmill, I try to do walk at a really good pace and always incline. And then after that, I want to like lift a little bit with my lift, and then do like leg presses to help with that. So yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys after the workout, and we're gonna go get breakfast. Brekkie. So yeah. You look so fresh, little baby. Are you enjoying Mexico, baby? Okay. Yeah, so we're just chilling. Just finished our workout, we finished eating breakfast, and now we're gonna figure out where we want to go. We want to go to town to go shopping or something. And then my auntie is showing us her Hey guys, now I'm gonna go get my nails done because my nails are atrocious. They've grown out. So yeah, are you having a good time? Oh, did I even show you guys the view? Here's a little snippet of it. You can see a little bit of it. When we're on the higher floor, you can see like better, but we're gonna go down. Are you having a good time, little baby? Are you gonna get a pedicure or manicure?
Yeah, need one.
What?
I need one.
Okay. We can go together. Yeah, so. Lord. Hey guys, so we're on a little shuttle to go to. Want to be my vlog? Well, I mean, I'm not gonna film you, but. Anyway, so we're gonna run our shuttle the way to shopping place. We're gonna take us shopping somewhere, like a flea market. So this should be interesting. Yeah. And last night Nikkei and I were running around. We went to Walmart and Costco. We were saying how some parts of here look like New York, and some parts look like Miami, and some parts look like Nigeria. So it's like a mix of a lot of things. Mexico is really, it's beautiful, it's different, it's interesting. The driving though, it's like driving in like Nigeria or New York. There's people like walking across the street everywhere. What, mommy?
What? What are you doing?
I'm done. We're done.
You'll be done.
Hey guys, so we're taking pictures with the donkey that's here. And Junior is getting on.
The donkeys.
Hey, oh my god.
Because he's gonna kick you with them.
Because he kicked.
Yeah. Junior, well, look what. Yeah, it would be better with a hat. It will look better. You can't ride the horse without the hat. Where is the hat, Junior?
I don't have one.
No, they have.
Give him a hat. Give him a hat.
So Junior, hold on.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Don't forget to tip the guys, okay?
They work hard.
Yes. Oh, yeah, we're not stupid. Thank you for letting
Okay,
us.
don't worry about it, man.
Pose.
There you go.
All right.
Go Junior.
Send Junior. Junior, wait.
No gang signs, guys. No gang
Don't
signs.
come down here. Let's take it. We cannot ignore that.
Get the whole board. You get the whole.
Yeah, I did.
All right.
Good, I took a lot.
Okay, can I take one myself? It was my turn. Oh, turn. You want to stay next to me? Be actually illegal.
Legal, no, yeah.
Come on, legal. Okay, Gladys.
Gladys, are illegal.
I don't have one. Oh, well, one more. Legal horse. Can you take?
Okay, I'll hold your phone. They're scared of the donkey.
Does he have a name?
That's called Pancha.
Copancha?
Pancha is a female.
Okay, smile now. Yeah?
Mommy, you getting on?
Yeah, I want to get on. Why not? Yeah. Thank you. Can you wait?
Yeah, right.
Is he gonna get mad?
No.
Okay, how about the hat? The hat, I need the hat.
It takes one with you.
Oh. This way? This way? This way?
Mommy!
You want too much. You want too much.
Just stand in there.
This is where they
Don't stand next. Don't stand behind her. Don't stand behind her.
No, 20 when I
30.
Hey guys! Riding donkeys in Mexico! Mommy, why are you looking at me like that? Okay. Do you like your pictures on the donkey, little baby?
Yeah, Mommy. Unless we're just going to
Hey guys, so right now we're in Sears, and this Sears has like makeup. They have like Christian Dior, Estee Lauder, Lancome, and there's Dolce & Gucci, Armani. I'm like, if regular Sears was like this, 80?
Yes, I didn't buy it.
How much do you buy for?
I think I was for 65.
Let's see what Jenner's getting. But oh yeah, so as I was saying, Sears had regular stuff like that. I wouldn't be going to Sears. You getting anything here, little baby?
Just smelling everything.
Do you like the smells?
Each ones are good.
They work. I almost finished my drink. I forgot to vlog it. But I don't even know what this drink is called, but it has rum in it, which is good. This is resort is all inclusive. Everything is included. Yeah. I'll wait for you with your tequila sunrise. Jenner, how was your drink?
Oh, my drink was delicious.
What'd you have?
I had a shot of tequila.
No, you didn't. You bring it, yeah? Okay. Mommy got tequila sunrise. Good luck. Oh, can you grab my bag? Thanks.
Right.
Oh yeah, sunset. So we're having dinner. I'm still a little scrubby. Ready for food? Okay, so good morning guys. So we are ready to go on our morning yacht cruise today. And last night we did the welcome dinner and stuff, so that was nice. So today is the yacht cruise. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning almost, and then after that we gotta do last minute stuff for the rehearsal dinner, because rehearsal dinner is at 3 today. So yeah. Yep. So yeah, so I'm just have my bathing suit on. It's all white, so I got my bathing suit on and my white skirt and stuff. So hey guys, so we're on the boat. We're just taking pics and stuff. It's so nice. It's so nice here. Yeah, it's really windy side.
Doro Bucci, Don Doro Bucci, Doro Jazzy, Doro Boss, Doro Big, you know say Doro Heavy, Doro Skiffle, you know say Doro Bloody, Doro get the biggest level where you know of us. Doro push past anybody where Doro meet. Doro gather past anybody for the gathering. Doro take money past everybody, yeah.
Doro Bucci, Doro Bucci, Doro Bucci, mama, Doro Bucci, boy, yeah, bro. Doro fresh, Doro big, Doro flashy, Doro classy, Doro fine pass anybody way, Doro see, Doro get pass anybody way, Doro meet.
Doro na diva, Doro na tiwa, Doro na leader, follow the leader. Doro is bigger, Doro is higher, follow the ladder, so follow the ladder. Doro can't leave her, she know the tire. Doro hot, Doro Minado, Doro fine, Doro Bucci, yeah. Doro me, Doro you, Doro maybe with the baddest crew.
Doro Suru, Doro Lere, Doro Grab, Doro Carry, Doro fast past anybody way, don't they pass before. Doro sweet past anybody way, Doro jam man, Doro hammer, Doro Paco, Doro knock past carpenter way, don't they knock before. Doro Nado, Doro Messi, Doro dribble anybody way, try to mark.
Doro, African prince, Doro. See Doro they make you all the girls they feel Doro, Doro catchy anybody way, Doro fish, Doro choppy anybody way, Doro beef, Doro mega, Doro super, Doro star, Doro mega superstar. Doro catchy anybody way, Doro fish, Doro choppy anybody way, Doro beef, Doro bad, Doro 007, Doro Nayaro, Doro they get the money, Doro like for do anything way, Doro like for do. Make nobody try Doro Bucci, Doro bad, Doro 007, Doro Nayaro, Doro they get the money, Doro like for do anything way, Doro like for do. Make nobody try Doro
is a cheerful giver. Doro is a kind of boss, a kind of boss. Doro is a money spender. Doro today floss, today floss. Anywhere where Doro day, you know say wahala day, kalas day, Doro galante. Anywhere where Doro day, wahala day, kalas day, Doro galante. Doro money, Doro bola, Doro popping, Doro naughty, Doro fly past anybody way they be play, Doro ball past anybody way they be pitch. Doro Bucci, Doro Bucci, Doro fly past anybody way Doro see, Doro get past anybody way. Doro street, Doro Jack Norris.
Hey guys, it is wedding day and June and I came out to the water to do like the calm before the storm because it's almost time for me to to like go meet up with Nike and start getting ready. But I wanted to go swimming and join water. I haven't even done that yet since I've been here because there's been so much work to do. But Jen and I came out early because like right now it's like almost 10 a.m. and we wanted to go in the water before it's time for the wedding. There's the little baby. Junior, are you out yonder? Wave to the people. Last time I was on the beach was when I was in on the cruise with Erica. So I'm back in the water. Ow, ow, ow. I'm back in the water. So yeah. So we're gonna be here for a couple more minutes and then I'm gonna go take a shower and then go meet up with the bride. The bride. Junior, where are you going? He's all the way out there. Let me zoom in. I zoomed in really far, so he's really out there. In real life. That's how far he is in real life. He's just a little speck out there. But yeah, but yesterday, oh, I like barely vlogged yesterday because there was so much going on. But I vlogged on the yacht cruise, so you guys saw that. And then after we had the rehearsal stuff, and I couldn't vlog that because I had to pay attention. So we had to pay attention to what was going on and stuff like that. So we had rehearsal and then we went out to go buy last minute stuff at like Walmart and Costco. And then we went to go pick up the flowers at the floral place. And so I really didn't vlog that much yesterday. It was a busy day. But hopefully I'll be able to vlog the rest of today. Today's Saturday. I can't believe like it's almost over because I leave tomorrow. But I'll vlog the rest of today. Nikki getting ready on and stuff like that. So you guys will enjoy. And then I'll have Junior vlog the wedding because I'll be in it. I have Junior and Mommy vlog the wedding for me. So, yeah. Are you ready? How was it out there? The what?
I gotta go one more time.
What?
I gotta go one more time.
Oh gosh, okay. Want me to come with you?
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll be able to go that far. Well, obviously I'm gonna bring the camera, so.
You know say Doro heavy, Doro skiffle. You know say Doro bloody. Doro got the biggest liver where you know of course. Doro fresh